Fabric sample cutting machine is used to cut textile swathes for mass production. It is suitable for all types of fabric as well as for leather, artificial leather, felt, carpet, film, foam, paper, board, etc. They use lever and steel dies to cut through fabric and other materials. As the material and die move through the machine, uniform pressure applied and die cuts fabric into the shape of die. Zigzag knife is used for zigzag fabric sample cutting machine. Firm and stable table mounted model with flywheel to zigzag cutting machine. This wheel is rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Provide handle lever for easy fabric cutting and forward and reverse operation of machine. Model with blade size 13 inch and 18 inch are available. Safeguard and calibrated inch plate are provided for accuracy. The fabric cutting machine offers a variety of cutting size. You can customize cutting size you desire. Clear and concise interface design and easy to operate.